Hi, it's Cami back with another episode of Searching Blitz, and this time we are going to look at making sure that our sources, especially images that we use, have attribution and some really easy ways to do that. Here we have Google Slides. Now watch this. When I click or scroll over this image, it tells me where it's from, and it will give me a source, and if I click on that source, it's a link, a live link that opens up, and I can tell where this image is from. And so we want to be able to always include at least that very basic source material with our presentations. So we're going to add a new slide and we're going to go to the Tools menu and we're going to go to Explore. Now, you might be used to the Explore tool down in the bottom corner, kind of right below my picture. Just recently, they've moved it so that it's in the menu, which is unfortunate. I hope they move it back so it's easy to find. Anyways, we're going to type shark in here. Click on sharks. Now, it gives me a whole bunch of websites that I can use, but then I'm going to click on images. The great thing about these images are that they are safe images and they are safe for use with Creative Commons licensing. So let's click on a different shark. Let's pick this guy up here. We can see down below here that it is labeled for commercial use with modification. And so that tells us that we have the rights to use it and we can play with that image. So we're going to put that in there and then you can see here it is. We can move it over. It's got the data with it that shows its attribution. Let's take a look at doing that in a Google Doc. We've got the image. If I click on it, we can see down here that it has the attribution. So let's see what it looks like to add another one. Tools, Explore, type our word, click on sharks, go to images, and we can pick one that we like and we'll look at the attribution. So it's labeled for commercial use again with modification. And again, if I click on that, there is its information, the site that it's from. Let's take a look really quickly at how to do this if we are in PowerPoint. So over in Bing, we're going to go to Insert, and then we're going to go to Pictures, click on Bing, type Shark. We want to make sure that the button here for Creative Commons is clicked. That means that it's safe for use and that we have permission to use it. Pick one of those, click Insert, and here we can see again that it has a link. So if I click on that link, it will take me to the source website. There it is. And then in the case of this Bing one, it also has the Creative Commons license. So that is really helpful. All right, so for our submission this week, we are going to do a Google Doc image showing its attribution and a Google Slides or PowerPoint image with its attribution. So what that would mean is we've got the image, but we also want to see this part below it where we can see that live link that we could click. So if I was going to take a picture, it should include everything on my screen. So that is how you can add images straight from searching the Explore tool or from Bing in PowerPoint and bring the picture attribution with it so that your teacher can know where it is. Teachers, you will want to teach your kids how to use this feature and insist that they use it when they're getting images so that we can start to teach them the importance about showing where our work comes from.